Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video for you, but first, say hi to Button! So after waiting for like weeks, we finally got our Max Air fan, and we got it in white, not in clear and not in tint, because we didn't want any more sunlight coming through into our van, and that could possibly make our van much hotter. And another thing that I've learned is that not all fans operate the same way. So just be mindful, especially if you're gonna look on a place like Amazon, because some fans only push air out, some fans only pull air in, and so make sure you are getting a fan that does both if you're going to be living in it full time. And we decided we wanted to place our fan on the ceiling above our bed. Next up, do you guys want to guess what's in this box? Alright, I'll give you a hint. It's made out of glass. Obviously, it says that on the box, and there's two of them. So yeah, pretty obvious. I'm sure all of you guys get it right. So these are our windows. We actually bought a cargo van on purpose because we didn't want all the windows that come with a passenger van, simply to minimize theft and break-ins. We would have loved to have a lot of windows to enjoy the views, but we wanted to be safe first and foremost. So as you can see, these windows are very thin and there's a protective screen, so it's unlikely that someone can crawl through. And here is our very last box for the day. So this box did give us the most challenges in terms of opening it. We weren't sure what angle. It was completely wrapped up in tape, and there was also glue on the box. And then we found out that it was actually two boxes glued together. But it's our installation, so we can finally move forward with our van build. Yay! We are so excited and nervous to cut holes in our van, but please subscribe so you can follow our journey.